Hello students, in this video we will discuss about intervals of increasing and decreasing function. Since this topic is related to application of derivative, intervals of increasing and decreasing function. Decreasing function. Since this is very important topic, let y equal to f of x is a real value function, and I want to find the intervals in which intervals this given function is increasing function and in which interval this function is decreasing function. For this, first we should be find first derivative, that means dy upon dx is equal to f dash of x. Now there are two methods. First method is, since calculate f dash x is equal to 0 and finding the value of x, that value of x divide the whole number lines into two or more parts, and in which part value of f dash x is positive, that means greater than 0, in that interval this function will be increasing, and in which value of f dash x is less than 0, that interval is known as in that interval our given function will be decreasing function. But another method is so simple. First, directly you should be put f dash of x is greater than 0. Put f dash of x is greater than 0. This will be condition for only increasing, because as you know that f dash of x is greater than 0. This is the condition for increasing function. That means if you put directly f dash of x is greater than 0, then in which portion, in which intervals of that number line f dash x will be greater than 0, in that interval this function will be increasing function, and remaining in the remaining part that function will be decreasing function. So from this condition you can get the intervals increasing and decreasing together. Means you can find the intervals in which interval given function is increasing and given function is decreasing. Will be increasing in this portion, f dash of x is greater than 0 will be increasing function, and in remaining part function will be decreasing. So this is so simple condition. Now we take one example. Let f of x equal to bx plus c is a function, and want to find the intervals in which this function is increasing function and in which interval this function is decreasing function. Now first find f dash of x. This will be only b, because derivative of bx is b is a constant and derivative of x is 1, and this is also constant, then derivative of c will be 0. Now put f dash of x is greater than 0, that is b is greater than 0. That means b divide the whole number line into two parts, considering this is the negative infinite and this is the positive infinite. B means, suppose here b, then b divides the minus infinite to positive infinite in two intervals. That means minus infinite to b and b to positive infinite, since both interval will be open interval, because here this is not given equal to sign. So this is the condition, f dash of x is greater than 0. This is the condition for increasing. So b is greater than 0, that means right side from the b, this portion, in this portion, this function, that means f of x equal to bx plus c will be increasing. That means in interval b to infinite, function will be increasing, while if f dash of x is less than 0, that means b is less than 0. b less than 0 means left side from this b, that means in interval minus infinite to b, function will be decreasing. So this is very simple topic. Now in the next video we will discuss about tangent, normal and its slopes.